Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. So today, first off, I'm gonna say it's Happy New Year. It's 2026, first video of the new year. Hopefully gonna be a good new year. It is starting off at an amazing one. We hope it's gonna be coming out with a good video. Hopefully. So today we're at a new shop. Not our shop, we're at a wrap shop. And this year we wanted to do something different with my Firebird. So we wanted to do a major overhaul, which we had two things in mind. Blown motor or keep my pump gas motor. And the pump gas motor wasn't a major overhaul. So we've ended up putting a blown big block Chevy in it. It's a 540. It's got a Littlefield 871. We're gonna end up changing this hat right here, and we're gonna, yeah, big and ugly. Right now it's just a normal bug catcher. But on a even crazier note, so if you guys didn't know it, our car was wrapped before, and it was done by a company in Raleigh. But the wrap was a wild wrap. It was, you looked at it and it was wild. It caught your attention. But it wasn't ours. It wasn't something that we particularly wanted. So we ended up getting with our man.
Hey, what's going on, man? My name is Ernie. We're here at Prada WrapLab. I'm the owner and operator. I mean, man, it was a fun project. It was a long project, but I mean, it was worth it. Yes. Definitely worth it, man. And
well, I won't keep you guys waiting, but this is what it is. So that's what we got going for this year. We got, if you guys know, back from, I would say, the beginning of last year, we had a Pro Mod. It was a 1937. What was the year of that Pro Mod? What was the year of our Pro? 37. It was a 1937 Chevy Pro Mod, and we ended up wrapping it orange. I love that orange. So here we've gotten it wrapped. We've gotten my car wrapped orange, making this car will be ran. Huh? Unlike the Pro Mod, this car will be ran. So yeah, but it's just unbelievable. You look at the detail on here, like come and show us where some of these lines are, because I honestly can't even find any.
Well, one of the biggest seams, really the main seam, is just right here. Mm-hmm. Between the halo and the roof.
Yeah.
Not really.
Now that's a perfect seam though.
You gotta hide it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's a perfect seam.
You wanna come on to the front end?
Yeah.
Along the body lines and stuff between the hood and the fender.
Yeah.
Right here.
And you have one here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can't even tell.
You got one here, here, and then the one across the.
Oh, there's a seam there.
Yep. You would never know it.
Yeah, you can't even see it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Across this line, across this line, and then the same thing on the other side.
We were wondering how you were gonna do it with like the big front end, but I guess it has a lot of curves. Yeah. Hidden curves, I guess. Yeah. That's crazy.
That's crazy. Sometimes you gotta look at it, sit down, and start breaking it down mentally before you start laying stuff down.
Yep. Absolutely. I mean, this is crazy. What do you think?
Oh, I love it. Well, first off, when I come to see him, he told me it was going to take a couple of months. And he has by far exceeded our expectations as far as getting it done speed-wise.
It was about a month,
Yeah.
but that's not considering any of the body work.
Yeah.
And not considering the holidays,
Yep.
Christmas, New Year's, all
Because
that
it was
stuff.
in the beginning of December. It was like, I was out of school, so it was after.
Well, we went to the Biltmore house. That's what I was talking to him.
That's right.
When I was
Yep.
at
Yeah,
Biltmore
that
house,
was.
he was telling me how long it's going to take, and it still ain't even
Less than a month.
didn't even know this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, this was.
it was a mess.
Yeah.
It is amazing.
This
what they've done
was
to
like-
car. The gentleman that did the body work. What's his name?
His name's Angel
Angel.
Peralta.
There you go.
Angel
That's,
Peralta.
that's who did the body work to the car.
And we're sorry.
Yeah, we had no idea this car was like that. And he started telling me, and I was like, well, do what you got to do. So, as far as him getting it done as quick as he did and as nice as it
And
is,
what
it is
he did.
phenomenal.
Yeah.
It is beautiful.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I mean, I literally in awe how it looks.
It's crazy.
And, so do they know where your shop's at?
Oh, well.
They need to know where your shop's
Okay, yeah.
at, everything, your name, everything. Well, I heard his name,
Yeah,
but the
yeah,
name of your shop and where you're at and where you're located.
Yeah, so we're here at Prada WrapLab. We're located at 8141 Main Street in Vanceboro, North Carolina. I'm not sure, you know what I'm saying, who else is going to see it, but we're here in North Carolina.
But on another note, hey, they still don't know about this. I told them about it, but where did this come from?
It's a 4-cylinder.
It's a 4. Yeah, exactly. 4. There's the
That
4.
That come out of our altered.
And you don't know about that
They
either.
don't even know about that. But we put it away for a rainy day, whatever we're gonna do. We got talking
And it snowed at our house, and
and we figured, why not put it in here?
yeah, why
So-
not? Why not make a perfectly good car not that?
Yeah, we took a nice car because it was a nice.
You
car.
made it nicer.
Yeah, we got a nice car, but we made it our own. It's my son's car.
Yep.
But we made it our own.
It's the orange.
Now we can say it's ours.
Yeah. So, let's get it out in the sun. How about that? Let's get it out in the sun. It's sunnier.
Dark.
So, it's
Let's go put it out in the
Yeah.
dark.
Let's go put it out in the light.
Put it out in the dark.
Let's get it away from the LED.
All right, well, we got it out in the beautiful sunlight. It's a little dark. Anyways, we got it out. My gosh, look at it. That is sick. That is absolutely sick. I got the Zeus's in it. Whole thing is down. It is, I mean, this is absolutely killer. Absolutely killer. Me and Dad had talked about pin strapping it. I don't even think we're gonna do that. I don't think there's a need. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. Beautiful. Beautiful. Unbelievable. I mean, I don't have any words. This is amazing. Just crazy. That's crazy. Unbelievable. I don't have any words. I hope this is crazy. Unbelievable. And it's not even in the daggum sunlight. Wow. You did a killer job.
Hey, man, we appreciate it.
Anything else you want to say?
But anyways, guys, we're gonna end out with that. Again, hit him up. We'll drop his body man down as well. The guy does amazing work. I mean, it speaks for itself.
I would suggest hitting him up,
Yeah.
guys, because like I said, amazing.
Yeah. So, anyways, guys, we'll keep you out with that. Links down in the description. And comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. And more videos to come with this. See ya.